Hello and welcome back to Bo's G&E. It's me, Corey here. What are we doing? We're putting the hubcaps on Legacy, like you saw in the Bobcat video. You didn't see it? Right there. Go watch it. Go. Really cool. We got Bobcats up there. We got the Bobcat ready for mowing season for spring. So let's get into the action. Forgive the sirens in the background. I didn't do it. Don't even. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. There we go. Okay. So, what we're putting on Legacy are the original hubs from for an S10 that I picked up from Wangland Auto. These things were like $10 total, if that. So you guys can see me here. Here, I'll move you guys closer here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Righto. Now that we're closer, let's see. Come over here, line it up, just like that. Slides right over. Look how much better the wheel is with that on there. Without it, with it. Now, these are threaded. Go right on over, just like that. Going in the star pattern here. Excuse me. You gonna grab it or not? Maybe not. Cool. Look at that. Ta-da! Now we're not done. I'm gonna grab my 4-way out of the back here. There it is. Cool. Those of you who don't know, this X piece is called a 4-way. Why? It has 4 of these nice little things on here I can use to spin. These on there nice and tight like. Don't break them now. They're already hard enough to come by as it is. What is your deal? I honestly don't know. So, when in doubt, use a different one. Wait. Aha. So, should not have tightened them all the way down. Figured something like this would happen. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys can't really see it, but the actual lug nuts have threads on the outside that allow me to screw these on top of them. That one does not have a thread on the outside, so it can't be utilized. So, let's see if I can't grab y'all from here. Goodness me. Alright, let me show y'all. Outside threads, no outside threads at all. What does that mean? Yoink. That's gotta come off. I have another lug nut. Make sure if you take them off, you put them on. Give me a second here, folks. Oop, there we go. Y'all sit up there. Doo-doo-doo. Let's see. There it is. Okay, just so you know, threads on the outside. Nope. Nope. Flip. Jackpot. There it is. Just like that. Ow. And bada bing, bada boom. She's off. New one. Working on there by hand. There it is. Ta-da! Now, take this thing, refit it. Re-screw on your lug caps. 1, 2, 3. Come on, stop fighting me. There it is. 4. Last but not least, number 5. And look at that, it screws right on. Don't throw this out, you might need it. That's 1. We have 3 of these to do. But you have 4 wheels, Corey. That, my friends, has a different style. If you have one of these, email me. It's gonna be right where I put my finger there. Why? I'll buy it off of you for a reasonable price. I know you Facebook marketplacers. I'm not that stupid. I might be from the Midwest and like cheese curds. That doesn't mean I'm a fool for that. That said, look, we have more. I need... Get off of there. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Set that there. Give me a second to get you all set up. Hey, look, you're set up. Okay, next on the list here. Okay, like I said with the last one. Line it up. Slide it on. Grab one of your caps. If you can get it to thread, there it is. That's 1. Get that off of there. Get off. Thank you. Here comes 2. There's 2. There's 3. Man, the tire shine on these things looks good as hell. They did a good job. Also, if you have another driver's side fender, email me right there. Email me. Also, if you're an artist, email that email again. Because I would love to commission you to get some things drawn up. Cool. Boom. Also, you really don't need the 4-way. That's not going anywhere. Let's get you set up on the last side, because that's the last one we got to do. Okay, just so you guys are aware, I got like no room here. Huh. Cool. There's all 5 of those. Once again, line it up. Caps. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 4. That'll make 5. Cool. So, let's go check out the last side here. See how everything looks. Whew. Yeah, I got like no room over here. I gotta clean this out, this spring. I could do it today, but I got some other stuff I gotta take care of. So, you guys saw what it looked like before, and have seen it. Boom! Wide shot. Look at that. Look how much nicer that looks now. Oh, but Corey, it's not all the same. There's 3 instead of 4. If you have a rim with a tire to go on that side, Dan, again, email me. Come on. If you're going to complain about it, help me find one. Or, if you have that right hubcap, email me. I'll put it on. I'll even shout you out. Obviously, that's the last one without one. Quick little video here. 11 minutes long, not bad. But hey, a little bit more character as we go. Obviously, that's a bit of a blemish, and that's got to get redone. If you have fender flares there, great. If you're a welder, could use your assistance there. For now, painter's tape will work. It still looks just as good. The other side looks a lot better, but hey, I'm not going to complain about it. Grandpa's S10. Me if you feel like it. Thanks. Grandpa's S10 wasn't perfect. That's the one thing I loved about it. It didn't need to be perfect. It was functional. It had rattle can brown on the right passenger side. It was incredible. I loved it. That being said, did I want to fix it up? Yes. Let me know what I should do next to this thing. What do you think? What comes next for Legacy? But for now, that'll do it. It's a beautiful day here in the Midwest. 50 degrees. Oh, heat wave. Heat wave in February. That being said, I'll catch you guys later. I might go live tonight doing some more Mass Effect Andromeda, or I might get the committee together. Gonna make another video here explaining what the committee is and why you can become a part of it. But that's gonna do it for now. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.